The scent of amber perfume is renowned for its musky and warm fragrance, which sometimes also has honey undertones. One of the most common ingredients used in this type of perfume is the oil of labdanum, a fragrant resin from Mediterranean shrubs. Jojoba oil, sunflower oil, and vitamin E are other popular ingredients in amber perfumes. One of the most costly types of amber perfumes contains oil made from ambergris, a wax-like substance derived from the regurgitation of certain foods from sperm whales. Ambergris is rare on the market due to the fact that sperm whales are an endangered species. Amber perfume made out of ambergris is the most expensive, but it is not necessarily more fragrant than other types on the market. Amber perfume contains a variety of ingredients to help to give it the signature musky fragrance that many consumers enjoy, but there are a few ingredients that quality perfume should not have. Any form of alcohol can dry out the skin over time and can even cause irritation in some people. Discontinue use of a particular brand of amber perfume if you experience itchiness and rash. Despite all of the price ranges and ingredients used to make amber perfume, the most effective way to find your best brand is to test them. Your unique body chemistry works well with certain ingredients, and you will only know when you encounter them. A particular fragrance might smell good on paper but completely different on you. If you are unsure after testing one, leave it on for a few hours to see how it reacts with your skin. Amber perfume is often marketed as being derived from fossilized tree resin, which is used to make jewelry. The fact is that amber fragrances are not generally made from the fossils because the resin usually does not have a scent. A brand that promises a perfume made from pure amber oil on the label is likely just an imitation of the essential oils used to make quality fragrances. It is important to check all product ingredients carefully to make sure that you are not paying more than the same ingredients found in more affordable perfume.